Okay, let's keep going. Where else?
This one.
There's one right there.
There's another one right there.
Good job.
I saw another one down there.
Where?
I saw another one by the rock. By the rock.
That's right. Keep going.
That one.
Don't have to worry about getting stampeded today.
I know.
Look it.
Yeah, where else is there? Is there more?
No.
They're all over. Go find them all.
Okay.
They're
Oh,
all
let's
yours. Yay! Go, go, go. Get them. Wow.
There's another one right there. There's another one. There's another one by there.
Oh, let's let Baron have some. Why don't you leave those ones for Baron? No?
Where's mine?
Oh, okay.
I got it.
Okay, there's more over here. You want to get them more over there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to put them down?
I played with
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What's over here? Over by the tree. Look it. Over by the tree? Over here on the ground?
The by the full stick.
Right there.
Yeah, stick. I saw the Easter bunny.
Yeah, they left that one too.
I saw one. Oh, get that one. What's another one? That's it.
You found it?
Yeah, up here.
Good job.
Okay, saw one.
Can you reach it? Oh, man, you're good.
I did it. I'm done.
You're done.
I don't want it.
You don't want any more?
I like that. What's another one?
You don't want to get these ones out here?
No.
Okay.
Maybe Baron wants to get one.
Yeah. Oh, Baron.
What's going on Easter egg hunt?
Yeah. Duke, will you wipe his nose? Like. You did? Baby, I think there might be one over here too. Look at over here by the umbrella. Come over here. This way. Walk forward. Come over here, Brody. Look it. Right over here. Be careful. Yeah, you see it? Good job. Baron.
Ready?
Baron.
A whole bunch over here. There's a bunch of eggs.
Whoopsie. Crash. Boom.
I'm okay.
Ready?
Good. I'm glad.
Is that another
Oh, they're all over the place. Better hurry up or Baron gets them.
Ooh, is that a special one? Hi, Baron. He's like, so.
You're doing good. Behind you.
There's so many.
Get a second one.
What are you doing? Oh.
Count.
Count how many there are. Oh, 5? I think there's more than 5. Where are you going, mister?
Ready, one more. You just missed one. Right there, Pete.
I think that's everything.
You want to get Baron's too for him?
Baron, get that leaf out of your mouth. Icky.
Okay, Brody, show Mommy all your eggs.
Wow.
There's 5.
There's more than 5 in there. You should count them. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Open some up.
Huh?
Let's see some. You want to open them and see what's inside?
Yeah.
You okay?
What's this one? Can't open this one.
Hey, can you-
Oh no, you're not gonna open. You can't.
It's too wet.
There.
Look it.
What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Hi, bug.
this. head.
Lemon heads.
Ooh.
Sour.
I like this one.
Okay.
This one. I do this one.
Okay, can you say Happy Easter, everybody?
Happy Easter, everybody.
Love you guys.